What is up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of spending hours raking leaves or wrestling with tangled extension cords, you are in the right place. Today, we are breaking down the top 5 best leaf blowers of 2026, whether you need cordless convenience, backpack power, gas performance, or even a robot that does everything for you. I've got the perfect pick for your yard. Some of these will absolutely blow you away, pun intended. Before we dive in, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. All the direct buy links for these amazing leaf blowers are waiting in the description below, so let's jump right in. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the Ego Power Plus Cordless Leaf Blower Kit, and honestly, this is the best overall leaf blower you can buy. With its 670 CFM turbo mode, this thing absolutely dominates leaves, grass clippings, and stuck-on debris with effortless power. Our tester was amazed by how intuitive the controls are. There's a dial to adjust power levels and a button to kick in turbo mode when you need that extra burst. Assembly is a breeze with just 2 pieces to snap together, plus charging and inserting the battery. The turbo mode is a bit loud, but lower speeds are quiet enough to carry on a conversation while still strong enough to wrangle grass clippings. On the highest setting, battery life drops to about 22 minutes, but on low, you can expect around 90 minutes of runtime. The only downside is that the turbo button isn't a toggle switch, so you have to hold it down, but honestly, the extra power is totally worth it, especially for those hard-to-reach leaves trapped between the house and the air conditioner. It's a bit heavy, so it's best for smaller yards and gardens, but for 20-minute cleanups, it's totally manageable. For convenience and power, this is the one to beat. Moving on to number 2, we have the RYOBI 40V Brushless Backpack Blower, and this is hands down the best battery-powered backpack option. If you have a larger property and want to avoid arm fatigue, this is your answer. The comfortable strap and flexible tubing give you precise control, while the dual batteries deliver powerful airflow that rivals gas models. Despite tipping the scales at over 20 pounds, the strap makes it feel surprisingly light. You can use it for extended periods without feeling fatigued. The airflow and airspeed ratings are among the highest we tested, making it perfect for large projects like clearing big driveways or spacious yards. The flexible tube is a game changer. It lets you easily maneuver into tight crevices without the arm strain of a handheld unit. The maximum power mode provides a runtime just over 15 minutes, but on lower settings, it lasts significantly longer. Our only complaint? It comes with only one charger, so you have to charge both batteries separately before using them again. For power and comfort combined, this backpack blower is an absolute winner. Next up, at number 3, we have the EGO Power Plus Variable Speed Leaf Blower, and this is the best option for large yards. If you've got half an acre or more, you need a blower that can keep going without constant recharging, and the LB7654 delivers in a big way with a massive 5.0Ah battery that runs for a full 90 minutes. No more battery swaps, no long extension cords, and no smelly exhaust fumes, just pure, cordless convenience. The combination of high airflow and airspeed sends grass clippings flying 10 to 12 feet away, so you can clear a small lawn without even walking around much. It's on the heavy side, but the included shoulder strap helps alleviate arm stress, making it comfortable for sessions of 20 minutes or more, though you'll definitely feel it if you run it all the way to 90 minutes until the battery dies. For big yards that need serious cleaning power without the hassle, the EGO Power Plus LB7654 is an absolute champion. Approaching number 4, we have the Husqvarna 2-cycle gas backpack blower, and this is the best backpack gas blower on the market. Our tester used it regularly over 800 square feet of flat terrain covered in grass and leaves, and was thoroughly impressed by its performance and comfort. This is a powerful machine, suitable for the biggest jobs out there. It clears heavy, wet leaves with zero issues, so if you have a large property with lots of trees, this is the tool for you. One thing to keep in mind, it's loud, hitting up to 110 dB, so you'll definitely need ear protection. It also kicks up so much dust and grit on concrete surfaces that you might even want a full face shield. But considering the power and comfort, gas is absolutely worth it for large yards where you need extra run time. A full tank lasts much longer than any battery option, and the ergonomic design keeps you comfortable even during extended use. The trade-off is regular maintenance like changing spark plugs and oil, but for raw, unrelenting power, the Husqvarna 150BT is unbeatable. And finally, rounding out our list at number 5, we have the Yarbo blower module, and this is the best robot leaf blower you can buy. This is part of an all-season robotic yard care system with interchangeable attachments for blowing, mowing, towing, and even snow blowing, all attached to the core unit. The leaf blower attachment is incredibly powerful, with 607 CFM of airflow that clears your yard without you lifting a finger. Once your property is mapped, up to 6 acres, you can schedule or control the Yarbo through the app. Unlike many robots, this machine can climb 35-degree hills and maneuver over rough terrain with ease. After 30 minutes of use, our tester had only used 20% of the battery, and when it gets low, the machine automatically returns to its charging station. It is pretty loud though, so you'll want to grab ear protection or just hang inside while it works. Attaching the blower module is simple, but linking it to the core can be tricky due to incomplete instructions. The catch is the price. You need to purchase the core unit first, and it's definitely on the pricey side. Unless you find the entire system valuable, we don't recommend it just for the leaf blower. But for tech lovers with big yards, the Yarbo is a glimpse into the future of yard work. And there you have it, those are my top 5 picks for the best leaf blowers of 2026. Whether you need cordless convenience, powerful backpack comfort, gas performance for large properties, or even a robot that does all the work, there's a perfect blower here for every yard and every budget. I've linked every single product in the description below, so go check them out and grab yours before leaf season hits. If this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your fellow homeowners, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.